Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about my new bar soap that I have bought from Kitsch. It is an American brand that made more natural product without sulfates, without parabens, with natural ingredients and fragrances. And I was tempted to try the new shampoo and conditioner from them. I will insert a video here to show you how they look. It is a soap like we will use solid soap, but it is infused and the ingredients are from more natural side, and it replaces the bottle of shampoo and the conditioner. So I will use it and I will tell my opinion after this. So this is my hair after I wash with the two bar soap. I'm so pleased with the result. It's so nice, shiny. I didn't notice some difference maybe on the conditioner that didn't make my mid ends that smooth that Joico or other conditioner done. But with the shampoo I'm so pleased because I feel that the hair is washed and it is all very well. I will continue to use it and I will see how my hair looks after I will finish. They have the protein rice water that promote hair growth, and I'm so excited to see what result I can achieve. I want to show you my new sneakers. It is the first time that I bought this type of shoes, but because I have big struggle with my feet, this type of shoes maybe I can feel more comfortable with this type of memory. When I was buying them was so comfy. So hopefully this type will be the one. They are easy to wash. Just put in the washing machine at a lower temperature, and it is easy to maintain it, but you don't have to wash it very often because their material not be the same, but once a month, one time, or every 2 months, I guess it is okay. In meanwhile, you have to maintain them, just to brush it, all the dust after you use it. So hopefully they will make me feel comfortable. It goes very well with pants, with dresses. It is the fashion season now that you can wear the dresses with all kind of Adidas shoes like this, or sneakers. So I'm very happy for them. I will try it today and I will continue to use it, and I will tell you later in a future video how I feel with them. So this is what I bought, a new pair of shoes, very comfortable, and for my work are great. They are from natural leather, and I like it so much how they look.